Hello, this is Sean 2 again, giving you a review on the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Right now, what I'm going to do is cook at least 3 to 4 things. The first thing I'm going to cook is some air fried chicken wings. On the panel book, it shows 2 different recipes on how to do chicken wings. The 2-way is the beer batter one and the plain chicken wing, and the sesame ginger sauce for the chicken wings. Well, what I did with my chicken wings, I put at least a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning, turmeric, a little bit more pepper, and a little bit of salt, a little bit of olive oil. What it states to do is set the air fryer at 400 for 20 minutes to golden and crispy. What I'm going to do also is set the air fry 400. Let me open it. And it say put it on rack 2. And also, what I did also is put aluminum foil on the bottom of the pan so the grease will go down on the pan. Also, you could use parchment paper, but remember, also parchment paper, the highest temperature can go to is 400. So I'm gonna put this in here, close it, and I'm gonna put it at 20 minutes. What I'm gonna do is go back at 10 minutes, go flip them, and check them after the 5-minute mark to see if they already done. Since I already got 8 in here, you could put up to 3 pounds of chicken wings in here, so that's about 15 to 20 chicken wings on drums and flats. Well, I'm gonna come right back at the 10-minute mark to go ahead and see how they can look halfway. Okay, we at the halfway mark. Let me go ahead and open the door open and see how it looks. Always use. Well, it looks pretty good so far. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and flip them on the other side. Use my other hand. Flats look okay. Now drumettes seem a little bit burned, but I think I'm gonna do it for another 5 to 6 minutes. It does say if you brain chicken, when you turn it around, when you see certain spots that's not cooked, it still has some flour spray, some oil spray on it. Or I could say you could spray a little bit of water, it would still do the same thing. What I'm gonna do is put these back in and then cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, it's about 4 minutes left on the chicken wings. I think I'm gonna take them out right now. Maybe turn this off. Open this. A little burnt on the flats, but what I'm gonna do is go plate them and let them cool down for at least 2 to 3 minutes and taste test one of them. Okay, I let the wings cool down for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna taste test one of them to see if it truly is done. So the wing tastes pretty good. It tastes like it's really fried wings without any bread and without any deep fried. It cooks pretty well done. I think next time when I go on an air fry, I'm gonna try air fry 350 or around 350 for around 15 to 20 minutes. Let me check the flats now. They look pretty done. Alright, the next thing I'm gonna give this around a A-. Next thing I'm gonna fix is breaded homemade chicken strips. Also, I forgot to add, unless you're doing a double batch or something, if you're gonna cook something else, let it cool down for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Then wipe the inside out and clean the rack, and be ready for the next use. Next thing I'm gonna cook after I let it cool down for another 10 minutes is the homemade chicken strips. Well,